you choose to actually get yourself a license, so you becomes an official business owner. Gordon, why you choose to get a business license?
So when you have a business that open a lot of doors for you see me? Yeah man, I make people look for you different. I think that make people do that like a big man, as a businessman, you see me?
How far you plan to reach with your music production? What the aim?
Yeah, so me I pray for reach right now, Billboard chart. Would I love to have some of them platinum there and platinum plaque there. You know, say yeah, my music do this. You see me? Yeah man. My project, my production. Love music, you see me? Good right there, so man. T-Bone out there see me too, you know, the artist there, you see me? Right, you know, them man, they see me too. Yeah, dog.
You unroll boss out there.
Yeah, man, friend, no, man, that unroll Affy night, you know, for we say G6, unruly night, see me too, you see me? Yeah, dog. Grime, Frostwell, Stockman. But I don't really like G6 alone, I go there play. You know, really G6 alone, you know. Well, more artists in the pipeline, man. But I just time, you see me? Time do everything. Yeah, man. The reason why I get my business license is because I'm serious about the business, you see me? Yeah, man, I want my thing to reach a far way. Yeah, from the business yard, you have to serious with the business, you see me? So that's why I get my business license, because I want to make sure that my thing license and fully equipped, bad man, you see me? Yeah, dog. Right now, I have 2 projects. You see me? We soon drop a road. So next time I do an interview, yeah, I'm go have the project a road where you can stay so and listen, see me if you know, say yeah, Garridan Records.
Jaja God. I mean name DJ man, bad from when. You see Garridan, the next big producer out of Jamaica. Yeah.
Yeah man, greatness come from the community them too, you know, they feel like say yo, I just be a hooligan living I get to them, but they have it wrong as it. Yeah man, whole heap of greatness out here man.
Yeah man, the people them can follow me on Instagram, GARRYDON, Garridan Records, on YouTube, Garridan Records, CME, you see me?
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.